Hello students, welcome to the third part of understanding fractions. In previous two videos, we have learned what are fractions and what are different types of fractions. In this video, I would like to explain to you how to convert the fractions and how to compare fractions. Let us see. Let us observe these two types of fractions. This is improper, numerator bigger, denominator smaller, and this is mixed, 2, 4 by 6. This can be represented in the form of figures here. You can see two complete figures, each having 6 parts, and 4 parts out of 6 part is the fraction. So 2 whole and 4 upon 6. Here we can see 7 upon 4 parts each, or 1 whole and 3 upon 4. So improper and mixed conversion, let us understand. The methods of changing mixed number into improper fraction. This is a mixed form and we have to convert into improper fraction. For that, we have to multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the answer to the numerator and put it over to the denominator. Denominator remains the same when we are converting fraction from mixed to improper or improper to mixed, both ways. So what are the steps? Basically, we are going to multiply, add, and denominator same. So 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. 15 upon 4 is the answer for 3 upon 4. To remember this, there is a very beautiful saying, how to make a mixed number mad. This is a mixed number. To make it mad, M means multiply, A means add, and denominator same. D means denominator. So to convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction, we will multiply, add, and denominator same. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 and denominator same, that is 5. So 3 1 upon 5 is equal to 16 upon 5. We just have to remember MAD, multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the numerator with the denominator same. So mixed number to by the steps of MAD. Let us see one more example here. 2 3 upon 4 is the mixed number. How to convert? Again follow the steps of M, A, and denominators are same. Let us see. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that is 11 upon 4. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. Answer is 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 upon 4. So 2 3 upon 4 is actually 11 upon 4. We can see it in the form of pictures here. How is it equal? Here the two complete circles are shaded, in which each circle has 4 parts and 3 parts are shaded in the third picture. So 3 upon 4. 2 whole 3 upon 4 is equivalent to 11. How is it 11? Let us see. There are how many parts? 4 plus 4 8 plus 3 11. So actually 2 upon 3 2 3 upon 4 can be written as 11 upon 4. So in this picture form, it is also clear that mixed number can be written as improper fractions. Now let us see the reverse of it. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. For that, we will divide the numerator. 33 divided by 4, answer is 8 and remainder will be 1. So the quotient that we get becomes the whole number and remainder is the numerator and denominator remains the same, as you can see here. So 33 upon 4 is equal to the quotient and remainder upon the denominator same. So 8 1 upon 4. Now let me move forward and give you one more example here. Convert 20 upon 3 into a mixed number. So we will divide 20 by 3. Quotient is 6 and remainder is 2. So quotient becomes the whole number. Remainder is the numerator and denominator remains the same. So 20 upon 3 is equal to 6 2 upon 3. Now let us learn how to compare fractions, and for that I have this beautiful little crocodile. And what is funny about this crocodile? He'll always turn his mouth or open his mouth towards the bigger fraction. So you can see here 8 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. So this crocodile will always open his mouth face towards the bigger fraction. 8 upon 8 is a bigger fraction than 5 upon 8. So wherever the fraction is bigger, the crocodile will turn his mouth. So this is how we can say 8 upon 8 is greater than 5 upon 8. Now this is another example. Let us compare 4 upon 5 with 4 upon 10. So 4 upon 5 means 4 parts out of 5 parts on a number line, and 4 upon 10 means 4 parts out of 10 parts in the number line. And very clearly it is visible which is the greater fraction. This is the greater fraction. So where will the crocodile turn his mouth? Obviously 4 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 10. Let me show you one more example. And now we are comparing like fractions. So these are three like fractions: 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So 2 parts out of 7, 3 parts colored out of 7, and here 5 parts are colored out of 7. And we can very clearly see that smallest is 2 upon 7. So in order to arrange these fractions in ascending or increasing order, ascending means increasing order, smallest first and biggest last. So 2 upon 7 is smaller than 3 upon 7, and it is smaller than 5 upon 7. And when we have to write it in descending order, so again we will see the greatest fraction should come first. So 5 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7, and it is greater than 2 upon 7. So when we are comparing like fractions, like fraction means denominator is same, we will just look at the numerator, and if it is asked to arrange in ascending order, we will write the smallest numerator first, and if it is asked for descending order, then we'll start with the biggest numerator first. So we can arrange the like fractions according to the given question. Let me give you one more example here. You can see 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. In the picture also it's clearly visible that 5 parts out of 8 parts is smaller than 7 parts out of 8 parts. So crocodile will always open his mouth towards the greater fraction. This is very clear. And let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. So smallest first, 2 upon 10 is the smallest, then 5 upon 10, then 9 upon 10. And if we have to arrange it in descending order, then 9 upon 10 will come first, then 5 upon 10, and after that 2 upon 10. And if we have to arrange these three fractions, then ascending order will become 2 upon 8, after that 5 upon 8, and after that 7 upon 8. And if we have to write it in decreasing order or descending order, then the biggest will come first, that is 7 upon 8, then 5 upon 8, and then last 2 upon 8. So I hope you have understood how to arrange it in ascending and descending order. We just have to remember for like fractions, we will look at the numerator and arrange it with ascending order. So we will write the smallest fraction first, and if we have to arrange it in descending order, we will start with the biggest numerator fraction first. Now let us compare unlike fractions. For that we have a beautiful trick which is called butterfly trick for comparing fractions. So these are two unlike fraction, you can see 4 by 6 and 7 by 10. Unlike means denominator different. So we'll make the wings of butterfly along the opposite numerators and denominators. Here 6 and 7, and here 10 and 4 we can make the wing. And we are going to multiply the numbers in the wing. So 6 7s are 42 and 10 4s are 40. So which side is the greater value? That fraction will be bigger. 42 is greater than 40. So 7 upon 10 is greater than 4 upon 6. We can see here also we have to compare 4 by 6 with 3 upon 10. So again we'll make the wings and we will multiply. 6 threes are 18 and 10 fours are 40. 40 is a greater value here. So the fraction 4 upon 6 is of greater value than 3 upon 10, or 4 upon 6 is greater than 3 upon 10. Let me show you. This is actually the same way, which is called cross multiplication method of comparison. You can see the cross here. Cross multiplication method of comparing fractions. So again you can assume this is the butterfly wing. So 5 threes are 15, and here again the second wing, 6 threes are 18. 18 is a bigger value, so this fraction is bigger. 3 by 6 is smaller than 3 by 5. Let us see one more example here. 4 upon 7 compared to 3 upon 5. 7 threes are 21 and 5 fours are 20. So the crocodile will always open his face towards the greater value fraction. So 4 upon 7 is smaller than 3 upon 5. Let us see next one. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So the crocodile will open his mouth towards 2 by 3. So 2 upon 3 is greater than 4 upon 7. Now let us see. 10 twos are 20 and 5 fours are 20. Both are equal, so both fractions are of equal values. So 4 upon 10 is equal to 2 upon 5. I hope you have understood how to compare fractions and convert fractions also. So do watch the video again if you want to revise the concept, and remember, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So do practice sums regularly. Thank you.